Question 9. The function ht, as shown in the diagram on the right, represents the height of a firework after it was launched. The fireworks exploded at the highest point. Okay. So this is the equation of the firework. So if we draw it into a graph, it will look something like this. Okay, this one is a quadratic graph lah. It exploded at the highest point, so at the vertex. Right. So now they're asking when did the fireworks explode and what was the height at which the fireworks exploded. Right. So here, if we were to draw the Cartesian plane, the x-axis would be t and the y-axis would be ht. So if you want to find the time where the fireworks exploded, you must find the x value here, or in other words, the t value, the time lah. If we want to find what is the height, we must find the y value. So if we just find the coordinates of this vertex, we will get the answer already. Okay, let's find the vertex. So here, this will be the axis of symmetry, right here. So the axis of symmetry can be found by using this formula. X equals to negative b over 2a. This is the equation of axis of symmetry. Okay, so let's try to figure out what is a, b, and c. This is our equation. From here, a is negative 4, b is 32, and there is no c, therefore c is 0 lah. So let's try to find the axis of symmetry. X equals to negative b over 2a. So negative 32 over 2 times negative 4. Okay. We get 4. Therefore, this will be 4 lah. So when did the fireworks explode? You can say at 4 seconds. Done. B. What is the height at which the fireworks exploded? Right. So this is A. To find the height, we just have to put the x coordinate into the equation. We'll get the height. So when t is 4, okay, the x coordinate is 4 lah. So when t is 4, we need to find the y coordinate. So we can find h4 square plus 32 times 4. So you can use your calculator. Negative 4 times 4 square plus 32 times 4. We get 64 meters. So when it is 4 seconds, the height of the fireworks would be 64. Okay, how we know? We put the t value into the equation. We will get our height. That's it. So time is 4 seconds. The height would be 64 meters. Done.